Kitchen 101. It's not a coincidence that some of our most festive holiday celebrations coincide with pomegranate season. Topped with a crown and filled with jewels, pomegranates are a special treat. They typically start showing up in stores around the end of September and stick around until January. Look for pomegranates that are plump, round, and feel heavy for their size. The fruit can be kept at room temperature for a few days, or in a loose plastic bag in the refrigerator for a month or two. Pomegranate seeds are loaded with juice, which can stain, so care should be taken to remove them. Here's how to do it. First, cut a thin slice off the stem end with a sharp paring knife. Then remove the crown or blossom end by cutting out a circle at a slight angle. Next, score the skin about 5 or 6 times around the fruit, from cut end to cut end. Gently pry the fruit apart into 5 or 6 pieces. Over a large bowl, about 3/4 full of water, carefully separate the seeds from the white membrane. Working underwater keeps the juice from splashing. Plus, the seeds sink to the bottom, making it easy to separate. Discard the membranes and peel and strain the seeds. Store the seeds in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Now that you have the seeds, what do you do with them? They are delicious as a snack on their own, but pomegranate seeds also make a lovely garnish to a variety of dishes, like salads or this prosciutto goat cheese and pomegranate flatbread. There's garlic and goat cheese, and it's finished with prosciutto, arugula, and a generous sprinkle of pomegranate seeds. Their tart flavor, juicy pop, and jewel-like appearance enhances just about everything. See you next time!